Hello dear friends, in this video we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best drones with camera for beginners on the market right now. I've included options for every type of consumer. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with camera, we have the product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started. Fifth product on my list, FEMA SG701 GPS Drone with Dual HD Camera. The FEMA SG701 and SG701's long-distance foldable RC GPS drone with Dual HD Camera. HD adjustable camera, 4K Wi-Fi high-definition camera, adjustable lens angle, 120-degree. Integrated camera and body design, can adjust the shooting angle up and down, easy to take higher-resolution photos and videos. Multi-point flight planning, the aircraft will fly autonomously according to the preset route. The flight parameters of the waypoint can be modified in the setting interface. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. GPS Smart Follow, after the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Camera lens 120-degree. Adjustable angle camera 90-degree. Flight time, about 15 minutes. Control distance, about 100 meters. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. Fourth product on my list, CEVENNESFE F10 4K Profesional GPS Drones with HD 4K cameras. CEVENNESFE new F10 Drone 4K Profesional GPS Drones with HD cameras. CEVENNESFE F10 is a 4K HD Wi-Fi FPV quadcopter with 25 minutes of flight time. It builds with latest GPS, GLONASS, and vision positioning modes. It can easily launch and track the current position for precise hovering. With 4K 1080 pixel camera and 5G FPV system, it supports 720p 100 meters Wi-Fi FPV and real-time video transmission. You can enjoy the flight freely without worrying about the flight direction anymore. It also supports the micro South Dakota card to extend the memory of your device. Its foldable design makes it can be easily carried. It is easy to control and fly with one key takeoff and landing and altitude hold function. With headless mode and 3D rolling special function, it can also do 3D tumbling in 4 directions. Not to mention that it has the wind-resistant ability. It can be possible to fly more stable in the windy daybreak. Third product on my list, Vimillo S167 Pro Profesional HD Camera Drone. The Vimillo S167 Pro 4K Profesional Dual HD Camera Foldable Quadcopter Drone 4K Pixel 75-degree adjustment. Adjustable Super 4K camera design brings you better aerial photography effect, improved camera image quality. Dual camera, remote electric adjustment, wider field of vision. GPS flagship chip performance plus 150%. With GPS call, the positioning accuracy is greatly improved, and it is full at one-time flagship experience. More HD camera, aerial photography without delay. Brushless motor, equipped with high-efficient brushless motor, the power is stronger and retracts freely. Strong power, stepless speed change, bass noise reduction, 2-time service life. GPS satellite positioning, low power return, over range return, runaway return, one-click return. Image following, auto follow, your lazy man follows the clapper artifact. Pointing route flight fly where you mean. Circling flight 360-degree surround flight shooting. Speed switching, adjust according to the environment. 20-minute long endurance, 7.4 volts 1300 mAh lithium battery. GPS plus optical flow positioning. The optical flow positioning system is enabled indoors, and the images captured by the bottom camera pass through the system lock for precise hover. Enable the GPS system outdoors and obtain the satellite through the GPS chip signal, track the UAV flight position at all times, and fly more safely and safely. Novel functions, a variety of aerial photography modes are blessed, which is convenient and fast, making you feel great in seconds. Second product on my list, MKTOYS MK-SG108 GPS Drone with wide-angle HD camera. MKTOYS MK-SG108 Professional GPS Drone Quadcopter with 4K HD wide-angle camera. MKTOYS MK-SG108 is extremely user-friendly that comes with one key start landing, altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment functions, adapts to all experience levels even for kids and beginners. Intelligent control. You can control the drone through the built-in G sensor, adjusting the vertical and horizontal on smartphone without a remote controller. Or control your drone with simple voice commands like takeoff, landing, left, right, forward, backward. This drone provides smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. You can capture and record 1080p HD aerial footage and share it instantly on social media through DeerCap. MK-SG108 drone can be folded up into a compact and portable shape, fit easily into a backpack, perfect to take it traveling. Max flying time support up 20 to 25 minutes. High-speed powerful motor, brushless power, good wind resistance. Advanced features. Waypoints flying is the newest technology that by drawing a flight course on your smartphone, the drone will fly accordingly. Show your palm or V sign to the front camera. MK-SG108 will automatically take a photo or video. First product on my list, GRAYCEWODY KF102 4K Professional Foldable Photography Drone. The GRAYCEWODY KF102 new GPS drone with 4K foldable photography 8K HD camera. 8K 120-degree wide-angle professional aerial photography experience. 8K pixels high-definition pixels bring exquisite and rich image quality, making your aerial creation more free and easy to shoot movie-level pictures. The drone uses a CMOS sensor, which can take 6K movie-level pixel photos, fully retaining the creation details, and the texture is close to blockbuster movies. In the GPS positioning mode, control the drone to fly at a distance of 5 to 30 meters from the operator and turn on the app follow function. The drone can automatically follow the operator's movement and take pictures. Route planning flight. The app map accurately points, and you can fly where you want to fly. 7.4 volt 2200 mAh large capacity modular battery, long battery life and easy replacement. Take a stunning and wonderful movie with a 360-degree surround flight shooting angle of view. Play without hindrance unimaginable flying experience. Have a different beauty in your hands. About 1200 meters remote control and about 25 minutes long battery life. Long distance high definition image transmission.